Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got another great crock pot recipe, Garlic Parmesan Chicken. This recipe is so easy but delicious. We're using chicken thighs and baby red potatoes. Check it out. We're using chicken thighs. I really enjoy chicken thighs. They're a little fatter. They're easier to cook. They're not going to dry out as easily as chicken breast, but you could do this with chicken breast if you'd like. And we're going to be using some salt, pepper, paprika, garlic or garlic powder, and olive oil, potatoes, Parmesan cheese. So first thing we're going to do is just cut these in half. They're going to cook a little faster and take seasoning. And then we're going to want to prepare our garlic. I like to use fresh garlic, like I said, but you can use garlic powder if you don't want to do this part. So, garlic smash. Our garlic has been sitting at room temperature and has released that chemical allicin. Okay, garlic is cut. So we have our chicken thighs. I've rinsed them off already. So this first step is optional. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to sear the chicken to get the skin just a little bit crispier, get some color on there, seal the moisture in. You don't have to do that. You can actually just season them up and put them directly in the crock pot. So if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and skip to the next step. Okay, we've got our pan preheated. Little bit of avocado oil. We'll do skin side down here. Oh yeah. We're just gonna do a couple minutes on either side, medium-high heat. Just trying to get a nice sear on it. While we're doing that, we're gonna get our potatoes in the crock pot, seasoned up and ready to go. Our chicken is seared. Like I said, you don't have to sear it up. If you didn't sear it, now you just put your chicken in there. Otherwise, we're going to put it right on top of our potatoes. Go, perfect. And this is where that last little bit of garlic, just throw that around there. Now I use quite a bit of garlic, as you can see. Do a little bit of Italian on the top of the chicken, just for color. And with our crock pot on high, we're going to put our lid on and we're going to cook it for about 4 hours. Alright, it has been almost 4 hours here. So I'm going to put Parmesan right on top there. And we're just going to let that melt. A little bit of Italian seasoning. There we go. And there you have it, just like that, you guys. Garlic parm chicken. You can just throw a little bit of parm, fresh Parmesan on top. Have a little greens if you want. I'm gonna let that cool down and then we'll give it a try. Cut a little piece from the side here, nice and tender. There you can see garlic chicken parm. Amazing. This recipe is great. You can serve it with veggies, you could serve it on rice. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you try it, what you think of it, and what you would do differently. Like and subscribe if you're not already for more great recipes, crock pot, and pretty much everything food. And until the next one, bakes out.
Wow.
Yeah, bendy spoon, you know.